2, 3, 4.
Okay, today I'm going to teach you some HTML. We're going to go from some JavaScript. We're going to learn a bit of CSS, cascading style sheets. I can't speak today. But first of all, you need a good text editor. So, the best one on the internet I've found is Notepad++. Basically, if you don't want to do it in Dreamweaver and you want to learn how to code, then Notepad++ is the best one because it has access to all the actual coding libraries that you need, such as JavaScript, such as HTML and PHP, but you'll also have to install something called a WAMP application. That stands for Windows Apache, MySQL and PHP, because all the development language works with all three, i.e. Apache Server, PHP, which is the actual coding language, and MySQL, which is an online database, quite popular. Okay, so as you can see, I've gone to the Notepad++ website. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download the current version of Notepad++. So click that. Okay. You can either choose an installer, which is an exe, or a zip package. Either one's fine. I'll probably use the installer this time. So as you can see, it's downloading. Okay, so you run that. I've already got Notepad. Okay, just accept yes to any of the changes. It's because I'm not running it as administrator. So install it with whatever country you're from. Presumably English, because you listen to this video. Okay, so yeah, click next, go through all the blurb. Does anyone ever read it? I don't know. Click I agree, and click next. Click localization, because okay. Okay, create shortcut on desktop, install. Okay, so that'll go off and install itself. And still installing. Okay, so I want to run Notepad++ now. Okay, so let's have a new. Let's get rid of all these. Sorry about this, guys. So new, and my language, as you can see, it's got all the language runtime, so you can do C#, you can do COBOL, you can do HTML, which is what we're going to be doing, Java, and stuff like VB, VB.NET, XML. You can use it for anything, SQL, shell language, ASP.NET, but what I'm going to use it for is HTML. So basically that's how you set up your first HTML document. So what I'm going to do is we're going to put all these into like a common folder, so to speak. So I'll have it in my documents folder. I'll create a folder called HTML examples tutorials. So that goes in your my documents folder, and probably call it index or first page .html. Actually, we call it template.html, and then you can actually use it for all your other projects. So then you can start, like, I don't know, head, backwards already, not. Sorry, I can't see our keyboard very well. Head. So that's your first tag. Body's going to be down here. Body. Body. Something like that. But what I'll do is in the next tutorial, this one's initially designed just to show you how to download Notepad++. But in in the next video we'll set up a template together, and that's the template we'll use for all our subsequent HTML documents. Okay, so tune in next time and we'll go through how to actually create a template, and then we'll get writing some HTML. I'll teach you how to structure, you kind of like break it, we'll put hyperlinks in, we're going to add input boxes, etc, etc. Then we'll export some of HTML5 as well. Okay guys, tune in for the next tutorial. This is going to be tutorial 1, the next one will be tutorial 2. Okay, keep watching.